In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable likes or like function on a specific video on your YouTube channel. So if at one point you had disabled the like option or function on your video, then it is pretty much simple. You can enable it again. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go and log into your YouTube studio, then head over to content. From here, identify the video that you had disabled likes. For my case, it was this video, so I'll just tap on it and then scroll down until you see show more. If you tap on show more and then scroll down towards the end, you should be able to see the last option, show how many viewers like this video. Currently, this is unchecked, and that's why this function is no longer working or no longer available to my viewers. To enable it, just check this and then head over to save and click on it to save the changes. Now your viewers will be able to like this video as they watch it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.